Hey, and welcome back to another video in my eBay parts repair playlist, the playlist of videos where I go on eBay and purchase broken electronic items and try and fix them on camera. What we have today is this. It's a bundle of 3 iPods, 2 Shuffle second gens, and 1 mini, probably a first gen, I'm not really sure. But this was a sick deal because the iPod mini alone, the cheapest I've seen on eBay was like $30. To get that for $10 plus 2 other iPods just for throws, that's a great deal. I've been getting lucky with these iPod minis recently because if you remember this video, you can find that video up in the card above. If you already watched it, you'll remember I got an iPod mini and an iPod Nano for like $15 or $16, which is also a great deal. And it was from the same app, which is Macari. So we'll try and fix these. We'll open them up, probably see what's up. I'm pretty sure the hard drive on the mini is shot, the Hitachi micro drive, but we'll see. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Also, don't hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Discord, Twitter, and Instagram, and you can find me on those using the links down in the description below. Okie dokie, so let's see what's up. The shuffles, probably one seems open. The green one, I think there was a green one. It was green and blue, and then the iPod was pink. I can't really remember. I have to look that up. I can't remember what the colors were, but the iPod, the mini was pink for sure. Okay, so here they are. Well, purple, not really pink. A Ziploc bag. Let me get something so I don't. Sorry about that. I ran out of space on this phone. Let me get like a bag or something so I can keep it. Okay, here we go. Let's do the mini first. Huh, it's a first gen mini, I think. Where's my other one? So this is this one works. It just has a short hard drive. What's the difference? I really can't tell. I think this one's a second gen. I know because it says 6 gig. I think this one's a first gen. Let me quickly run the model number and be right back. So I was right that this is a first generation because number one, the capacity wasn't etched at the back, and I kind of, being an idiot, I completely forgot the biggest giveaway. The second generation, as you can see here, now this is a bad comparison because this is the silver model, but on the other second generation, like for example the blue second generation, if the body is blue, the markings on the click wheel are also going to be blue. If it's pink, it's going to be pink. This one is gray, so it's gray. So it's kind of a bad comparison, but this one's a first gen because they don't match. The second gen, the color matches the accents on the click wheel. This one's it should be pink if it was a second gen, so it's a first gen. I can see the display has some damage, so it's probably gonna have some spots, but that's okay. Let me get a charger real quick. Hold up. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in and hear the hard drive start clicking. It's probably what's gonna happen. Ooh, did that just flash off and on? I don't know. I didn't. Did that happen? Like, did the display like flash? Let me bring it closer. I don't hear a hard drive spool up. This one is completely dead. Like, that one turns on and stuff. This one doesn't do anything. Probably leave it on the charger for a while. We'll leave it on the charger for a while. Now here's these things. I actually have one exactly like this, as you can see. I did a video on this and the orange one a long time back. You can go find that on my channel. Boy, I might mix them up. I better find a way to... Oh, this one has like gunk on its wheel. Okay, that's the difference. This one looks nicer. off. It's been in the on position for a long time. This one's someone's tried to open it. Yeah, someone's tried to open it. Does it turn on? It's been in the on position. Let me go get the, oh no, the cable is right here. The cable is right here. What do I plug it into? I want to keep this in frame of the camera, but I want to plug it into something, and I don't have like a power bank. Hold up, I'll think of something. In the meantime, this thing decided to turn on. It's got some spots on the display, but I don't think that's affecting it. So we'll wait and see what happens. I don't hear the hard drive and I don't feel it, but let me bring that closer. I don't hear the hard drive, but it's such a small hard drive. As I remember, it didn't make much of a noise. But we do have a functional board. The display needs a bit of fixing, needs a bit of cleaning as well. Let's wait and see. It's probably just a power issue, probably low on power. That's why it didn't start up the first time. Let's see. Come on, try and restart it. We'll see what happens after it's done with this. In the meantime, let's go try and get a charger for these. Okay, we have a power outlet here. Let's plug that in. Let's see if this works. Let's grab the blue one first, see if the light shows up. Ooh, it's charging. Nice. So that one works, hopefully. Let's see if this one charges. Okay, so that one charges too. So we have two of these things. You know what? Let me grab a pair of headphones and be right back. Because if they work, the only way to see if they're working or not is just to play music. Because there's nothing on screen. Ooh, nice. This one works. It was just low on battery. The hard drive alone is working. Damn. I just noticed that. It has like spots on the display, but English. English. Come on. It's a bit stuck. Oh, okay. Damn, it works. Look at that. That's great. I mean, for $10, a perfectly working one. Damn, well, let's see what this thing has songs on it. Songs. It's a bit slow. Oh, it's got no songs, I guess. So did she wipe it before she sent it to me? I don't know. Backlight. Oh, there's the backlight. Nice. Extras. Games. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. I'm really happy it works too. And surprisingly, those old Hitachi micro drives, they go out pretty easily. But yeah. So this is, wow, this is I never expected this thing to work. I was ready for the clicking hard drive. But because, where's that thing? I just got done with this, which I already made a video on. Well, I don't know which video I'll post first, but I might post this first because it's more interesting. But this thing has a clicking hard drive. It works, but it's got a clicking hard drive. But either way, really happy with this, how this thing turned out. Where'd the backlight go? Come back on. Okay. But yeah, so I'll leave that to charge, and we'll see what happens. These guys, I'm gonna grab a headphone and be right back. Okay, so, oh, right. I'm a complete idiot. It charges off the same thing that the music plays through. I'm a complete idiot. So I have to wait till it finishes charging. So without like waiting for the thing to charge, we could just go ahead and restore it. If it restores, it's probably good. This one had the green one had like a blinking orange light. That is sort of a software issue, and we can try and fix it by restoring it. But it is getting charged, and well, it has power, so that's a good sign. The battery is probably slightly weak. So let's give it some time to connect here. Usually the orange blinking light on a shuffle means do not disconnect. But as I remember, the light blinked a bit faster than just that. But we'll wait and see what happens. So after resetting stuff, the iPod Shuffle, the blue one, it works fine. I put music into it. It plays music, and as you can see, the green light is on perfectly. It goes off after some time. That's normal. It is playing music. It synced all the songs I wanted it to, and it works. The mini, as you saw, works anyway. Now, here's the funny one, the green shuffle, the one with this open top. This one has error 1427, and I've been trying for like a day to get this to fix on Windows and Mac. It's still not working. I'm currently trying to get the old iPod Shuffle reset utility from 2008 to run on Windows 10, but I doubt it will. It won't run on Mac either because OS X Catalina is too late for it. Like it's too new of an operating system for a software from 2008. So I'll have to download Windows XP or something and try and fix this with the iPod reset utilities, because what I can tell from the behavior of this iPod is its software is completely corrupted. This alternating green, and now it doesn't even turn on sometimes. This alternating green and orange light, it's not coming on now, but it does come on sometimes. This is an indication of corrupted software. So it works and all that, but I believe this needs a lot of time and effort. So I'll be doing a separate video for this iPod alone. So stay tuned for that. But as far as this part slot goes, we have 2 working iPods and 1 working but acting funny. So we'll do a separate video on repairing that because it's going to take a long time to fix. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.